Yes, now I have completed the knot. After a garter, there are some patterns because these are specific calculated patterns. When there is a slight change in specification, the calculation changes. So we change the name of the patterns, we make that into another pattern. Then we have the crab pattern and bat pattern. The calculation of the pattern is the same, it is slightly different. The bat goes up to 0.86 retracement. You said the crab goes to the extreme. It goes above the previous X in the crab because what happened in the rest of the Gartley, the price never went above X. But what happens in the crab? In the crab, the price goes above the X. So that is an extreme continuation pattern. So after this, now there were Gartley crabs, bad things, all trade continuation patterns. Now we have the butterfly pattern. That is a reversal pattern. The butterfly pattern is found in the extreme. It is found right at the highs when the whole world is saying, everyone says that they are doomed, doomed. It does not come back then. The butterfly comes in and the butterfly gives a very high risk reward. But remember, this is a reversal pattern. This is a try to reversal scene when the whole world is saying buy now. It comes and says, brother, you have to sell. You have to sell, so you have to be very careful with this pattern. You have to know how to use it. It's just like a gutter. But what does it do? Each calculation is a little different, which is its pattern. It will go over one and will be found at the bottom from the top. Basically, the garter crab is this bat pattern. These are found in the retracement of the move. For example, we broke a support and came back. To turning support into resistance, we will find patterns there. Inspiration from the crab and bat, etc. But the butterfly, we will find it at the extreme top or extreme bottom. So we have to keep an eye out for this pattern. Have to be very careful. Its calculation is that it will always be about the X. That is, its second swing will go above one and trap buyers in the market. It will trap sellers at the top and bottom, then reverse and move in the other direction. Now this will be our harmonic pattern. Now how do we have to use them? We have to use them. First we have to locate them, then we have to confirm by measuring, is the pattern I have seen exactly calculated as you write as read when this pattern is complete. Never enter a trade during the pattern. Always enter the trade on the completion of the pattern. Understand this, as in all trading, patience is crucial. Careful observation and precise measurement are needed. Precision is not a concern in other areas, but in this, I mean harmonic patterns, always use exact precision for these precise measurements, and you will combine it with other technical analysis tools. So it will make you a better discuss throughout the course that we have to use everything combined: indicators, support resistance, trend lines, session timings, and these harmonic patterns. The more you combine things, the better filter you will get, the more probability